Good evening, students. We have to see one or two problems on design, armature design. One problem: determine a suitable number of slots and conductors per slot for the stator winding of three phase 3300 volts 50 Hz 300 rpm alternator. The diameter is 2.3 m and armature core length is 0.35. Flux density in the air gap should be 0.9 Webers per meter square. Use single layer winding or star connection winding. This is the problem. Now first you calculate the synchronous speed. Ns equal to n rps. Ns rps. N is given 300 by 60, 5 rps. By knowing the synchronous speed, you have to determine number of poles. P equal to 2f by ns. Substituting the values, we are going to get 20. Maximum flux density is given in this problem 0.9 Webers per meter square. Hence, we have to calculate average flux density. B average equal to 2 by 5 into B maximum. We are going to get around 0.574 Webers per meter square. After knowing the average value of flux density, then you can go for the flux per pole. That should be B average into pi dl by P. We are going to get around 72.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 Webers. Then you have to calculate voltage per phase. Given voltage is line voltage. Always alternators are star connected. Therefore, EL by root 3. Hence, EP equal to 4.44 F TP KW. By using this equation, you have to calculate the TP. TP equal to, we are going to get 124. The slot pitch should be nearly 40 mm for given 3.3 kV voltage rating machine. Hence, Q value you can determine slots per pole per phase. That should be equal to pi d divided by 3 into P into Ys. Ys is slot pitch. Here one care should be taken. Ys should be taken as centimeter. This diameter also centimeter. You have to take both values in same unit. We are going to get Q as 3. Once you are calculating the Q, then you can go for total stator slots. That should be equal to 3 times of PQ. That is around 180. Then total conductors, that should be equal to 6 times of TP. That should be equal to 744. Then after knowing the conductors, then slots, then you can go for conductors per slot. Total conductors divided by total slot. We are going to get as 4. Therefore, total stator conductors should be equal to 180 into 4. We are going to get around 720. Hence, turns per phase used equal to total stator conductors 720 by 6. We are going to get around 120. Hence, actual first designed value is 124. Final we are going to get 120. There will be change of 3% of turns for phase used in 120 instead of 124. Give the comment and finish the problem. Next problem, a 1000 kVA 3300 volts 300 rpm 3-phase alternator has 180 slots. Here 2 alternators are given. First alternator, you have to determine specific electric loading and magnetic loading. Another alternator is given 1250 kVA. You have to use earlier data only, specific magnetic loading and electric loading of first one. You can determine second calculations. This problem has been asked a number of times in VTU question paper. First you take the 1000 kVA alternator, you calculate the things necessary. So, total conductors equal to number of slots into conductors per slot. We are going to get around 900. Turns per phase, total conductors divided by 6. We are going to get 150. Synchronous speed Ns 300 rpm is there. 300 by 60, 5 rps. Once you are knowing the ns synchronous speed, it is also equal to 2f by p. It is possible to determine number of poles. Then you determine the slots per pole per phase, that q value equal to total slots divided by number of phases into number of poles. We are going to get around 3. KD you have to determine distribution factor. 60-degree angle spread is given. By using KD formula, you have to determine its value as 0.96. Coils are full pitched, assuming, hence Kp equal to 1, winding factor equal to 0.96. Then again alternator is star connected, go for phase voltage EL by root 3, flux per pole by using EP equation, hence pole pitch equal to pi d by P. Area of pole should be equal to pole pitch into length. Area of pole we are getting. Then specific magnetic loading B average equal to flux divided by area of pole. We are going to get around 0.476. There is only one phase current in each conductor. One parallel path is there. Hence number of parallel path small a equal to 1. Hence current in conductor should be equal to 175 ampere. Current per phase IP equal to, you have to calculate, that is by using a kVA rating and phase voltage. Hence specific magnetic loading AC equal to 6 times of Iz into P divided by phi d. We are going to get around 25,000 amperes per conductor, amperes conductor per meter. Then you have to calculate peripheral speed Va equal to phi d into Ns. So this is the data over. By using specific magnetic loading and specific electric loading of this alternator can be used for second calculation. Number 2, for 1250 kVA alternator, you take the respective values, calculate the synchronous speed 250 by 60, then number of poles determine. Assuming stator winding factor as 0.96, determine the output coefficient. Output coefficient equal to L1 times Kw, B average AC into 10 to the power of minus 3. We are going to get as 126. Then by using output expression Q equal to C naught D square L Ns, you frame the equation for D square L. Substitute the values, we are going to get around 2.39 meter cube. Keeping the same peripheral speed of earlier alternator, hence pi d into Ns equal to 31.4. Then you substitute Ns of this second alternator, calculate the diameter d equal to 2.4 meters. Again substitute this value in equation 1, L equal to 0.4 meters. Pole pitch equal to pi d by P, 0.314 meters. Flux per pole equal to B average into pole pitch into diameter. For second alternator, number of parallel paths equal to 2. Hence in EP equation TP by A we have to consider. Hence TP also changes. Number of turns per phase EP into A divided by 4.44 F Kw into flux. We are going to get around 289. Then total conductors equal to 6 times of TP. We are going to get around 1734. Total slots 3 times of PQ, 216. Hence conductors per slot equal to total conductors divided by total slots, 8.03. But an integral number of the conductor per slot may be used. Hence we have to select 8 only. Conductor per slot equal to 8. It is only used for further calculations. Hence total conductors modified value 8 into 216. We are going to get around 728. Hence, modified value or new value of turns per phase, total conductors divided by 6, 288. This is the new value and final value.